Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to clear WhatsApp cache, and now let's dive right in. Now to clear WhatsApp cache, first open up the settings of your phone and not the WhatsApp itself. And after opening the settings of your phone, guys, open the apps on this interface, and you can see the app management option available for us at the top of the screen. Tap on app management, and over here, guys, search for WhatsApp on the top of the screen at the search bar, and search for WhatsApp and open it. And over here, guys, after opening your WhatsApp on this interface, you can see the storage uses option available for us just below the data uses. Tap on storage uses, and you can see there is the clear cache option available for us over here just below the cache. Tap on clear cache, and that cache will be cleared on WhatsApp. And guys, this is how to clear WhatsApp cache. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.